All right. Had a little leak going on. Changed my seal last time I was in here, but apparently I've got to change this as well. So just taking my time, using this stuff, which is amazing, penetrate. A little pricey, but it's great. Squirt it up, you can see it almost go right up in there. It sucks it right in. Just put a little bit right there. Just wait a couple minutes. Take your time, because you don't want to break this tool. Just take your time. It's coming. Little at a time. You don't want to have to heat it. All right. She wants to resist a little bit. That's okay. Just put a little more of this in there. Just put a little more of that in there. It'll be fine. Just got to take your time. Feels like it's about ready. This tool's about 30 bucks on Amazon. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. If you're not doing this every day, you don't need the big time tools. This will get you by. At least it's getting me by. A little at a time. Feels like it's almost off there. Oh yeah. All right. This thing should be any second. I almost feel like I can do it by hand now. There we go. Bingo. It's off. Clean that up. We got a brand new one here. Put that in there and replace it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Probably time. It's only got 100,000 miles on it. Okay, I'm trying to see. Looks like, is there any writing on that? I don't believe so. I don't believe there's any special way it goes in. No lettering or anything. Seems to be the same way. Should just go in. Of course, I'll oil it up a little bit. Also clean up this shaft here. There's a brake cleaner in there. A little rust right there, which I guess means I don't have a leak. Clean this up now. I got some grit in there. Okay. Put a little of this 3-in-1 oil on there. Help it a little bit. Probably needs a little help. Put it on there too. I know a guy was saying he puts these on with a piece of PVC and a hammer. I could see it. But you got to remember, you don't want to go all the way up there. All right, so this tool comes with it. And obviously we know this is a left-hand thread, so this is left-hand thread. Screw that in there. Okay. Now, This goes right over it. This is what pushes it in. Make sure that's all clean. I just took it out of the box. It should be. Now remember, you don't want to go all the way. You still got this little gap right here you got to maintain. You can actually probably use this at the end and go ahead and use that as a gauge, you know. Make sure you don't go too close. Okay, so now you got a washer, but we want to put some 3-in-1 oil on there. You know, you might want to tap that on there with this first. See if that gets on a little better. You want to make sure some of this thread catches or else you're going to strip it. I think I'm going to make sure I get a little more on there. Hey, that PVC is starting to sound like a good idea now. Or this would be a good one right here. All right, now this is the old one. I'm just going to use this to maybe help it out a little bit, get it started better. Oh yeah, it's going in there nice. I already put some oil on those threads. See that? Now we have plenty of bite. We're not going to strip any threads. You're going to need to hold that thing. We're going to need another option here. I need to go to the tool crib. All right, we're back. I got an adjustable wrench here. So we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, we're going to hold this on here. Okay, so it don't spin. I'm going to just push this in. And it's going right up there, no problem at all. And I'm not going to waste time filming this part. I'll just film it when I get to the end. You know how to do this. All right, so we just pushed it in there. Now we're going to use this as a little gauge. It's got a little play there. I'm going to turn it in just a little more, and that'll probably be good. Don't take my word for it. Always look at your manual. That's the best way. Okay, let's check it again. There you go. I'm bringing in a little more. Now, sometimes these things creep up there, and when you go to take them off, you can't put that tool in there. There's this guy on the internet, I've seen him do it with by loosening the cover over there, loosening the bolt and tapping it with a rubber hammer, but you got to find that for them instructions. I've never did it. I wouldn't even tell anyone. You have to look up that on your own. That's pretty close. I'll make it a little closer, and I think that's going to be great. All right, thanks for watching.